Push it. Okay, hold this up. Hold this up. I was gonna throw a devil at you. You're like. Yeah, we gotta see which way the train goes. Which way does it go? So you're stupid, aren't you? I see your butt crack.
This way hits all you.
Okay. Here, I'll hold it.
Yeah, my brother's gonna hold it. Yeah. If it goes that way, it's gonna break my grandma's chair. If it goes that way, nothing's gonna get damaged in the.
Except for me.
Yeah, jump it! Yeah! Oh my gosh! That was so close! It's gonna be the end of this video.